Stock which is up the most in percentage terms on my chart on my screen is KPIT Cummins, up 10% this morning at 44. Ravi Pandit of KPIT Cummins joins in then to talk about his numbers. Ravi, morning. Thanks for joining in. You seem quite reluctant to hold out any kind of guidance for fiscal year 2010. What can you tell us, though, on whether revenues and profits will be up or down, broadly speaking, next year over this year?
We believe our profits should be up, but revenues are a question mark. I think the whole industry is facing uncertainty. Whether, almost like whatever sector they are serving. As far as we are concerned, we are working more in the discrete manufacturing segment, which is seeing its own trouble globally. So we believe that there would be strain on revenue. So I don't know whether the revenue will go up or not. In all probability, it may not. But we believe that our profits should be stable or up.
Ravi, morning. Just to labor that point, you have indicated that you're seeing pressure from key clients like Cummins. What's the key problem over here? Is it that a lot of pricing slashes are being demanded? Is it that budgets are being curtailed or are being postponed?
There are three, four things happening there. People are, and it's not just Cummins, it's sure. Many clients. People are deferring their discretionary projects if they can. People are also asking for shift from on-site to offshore. And people are also looking at price cuts beyond the cuts that happen on account of the on-site offshore. So if you were to see even in this quarter, you would see that our offshore ratio has gone up, again primarily driven by the fact that the customers are looking at cost cuts.
So when you say you're expecting increased pressure on pricing, Ravi, what are you factoring in? I mean, a 2 to 5% cut, 6 to 8% cut?
Yes, it could be that much.
Could you take us through what is your Forex situation right now going into next year, Ravi, the hedges you have, whether you foresee any kind of MTM losses to be booked next year as well?
So there have been two types of Forex contracts. One have been derivatives. On derivatives, the MTM is 0 and it will continue to be 0 hereafter. So we expect no losses on any derivatives. That leaves us with the normal hedges that we have. So these are the forward contracts for the known currencies inflows. They have been accounted for in the books. And if one were to look at the scenario going forward, I believe it depends on really whether the dollar and rupee is going to be stronger or not. But we have no exposure left anymore.
How much have you brought down your employee and bench strength by, Ravi?
The employee strength in this quarter?
Yes, going into FY10?
Yeah, I think this quarter we have brought down our employee number by about 290 or something.
Thanks, Ravi. Appreciate you joining in with that. That's KPIT Cummins, not holding out too much by way of guidance, but the stock is up 10%.